Welcome back, everyone. The big sky in Montana is filled with all sorts of colors, and maybe you have wondered why our sky is blue. In this week's WeatherWise, meteorologist Joey Bianconi gives us the breakdown of that, plus some other cool facts about colors in our atmosphere.
Well, normally we are treated to magnificent color across Montana's big sky. Just today, not so much, and not for most of the month of December. But you may be wondering what causes those colors in the sky. Well, we're going to take a look at how we see the colors we do. It is common knowledge that our background sky color in the daytime is blue. But why is this? Why do we even see the color blue and not just outer space? Well, this is due to a process called Rayleigh scattering. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiation. The sun emits all sorts of radiation, but the type that we can see is known as visible light, which consists of every known color. As visible light reaches the Earth, it encounters gas molecules in our atmosphere. Since the molecules are smaller than the wavelength of visible light, some of the energy is scattered by the molecule, while the rest is absorbed. Blue light is scattered the most due to its shorter wavelength, so this is the color we see. The higher up in elevation you are, the less blue sky there will appear to be. This is because there are less air molecules for the visible light to be reflected off. Sunrises and sunsets appear redder because the light must travel further through our atmosphere to reach the observer, as opposed to being directly overhead. So only the longer wavelength colors like red, orange, and yellow are visible. There are some other smaller scale atmospheric phenomenon that can create some beautiful sky colors, like rainbows and auroras. Rainbows are visible when light interacts with water droplets. The light is refracted or bent as it passes through the raindrops. Since raindrops are circular, the reflection it creates is also circular. But we don't see the full circle because the ground we stand on gets in the way, so we see a bow shape instead. Auroras, or northern lights, are caused by charged particles from the sun hitting molecules high up in the Earth's atmosphere. The particles follow the Earth's magnetic field and gets funneled into the poles. Once they reach the upper atmosphere, they interact with nitrogen and oxygen molecules to create dazzling light displays in the night sky. The color of the aurora is dependent on the height of the interaction as well as the type of molecule the particles interact with. And now, you're a little more weather-wise.